Welcome to 9320 Lake Country Drive. Located in a fantastic Santee neighborhood, this home will check every item on your list of must-haves, including 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, vaulted ceilings, and a fantastic open layout. This home has been meticulously maintained and has new vinyl plank flooring as well as carpet with upgraded padding in 2 of the bedrooms, double pane windows, and a whole house attic fan and central heat and AC. French doors open up to a beautifully landscaped backyard complete with a fire pit, water feature that empties into the pool, and a large covered patio complete with a fan and lighting for entertaining on those warm summer nights. The fence opens up to additional space, leaving room to expand if you want to add a deck in the future. You will also find the perfect place to park your RV or boat and a custom-built workshop for storage and/or additional workspace. This home is a short walk to Santee Lakes and a quick drive to the 52 freeway. The sign that greets you out front says it all. Happiness is living on Lake Country Drive.